In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date calendar in Confluence. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and implement this in your own Confluence space. With this guide, you'll be able to effectively manage timelines, events, and tasks directly within Confluence, ensuring that you stay organized and on top of your schedule. To begin with, you need to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you'd like to add your date calendar. This is the canvas on which you'll be building, so make sure you select the correct page that fits your needs. Once you've found the right page, you'll see an option labeled Calendar. It's important to note that this feature requires a paid subscription, so ensure that you have the necessary permissions or budget in place to activate it. After clicking on Calendar, look for the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating a new calendar. Clicking on it will open up options to add a new calendar to your Confluence space. When prompted, select Add New Calendar. This action will get you ready to name your calendar, so think about what you're going to use it for. A team project, an event schedule, or anything that needs tracking over time, and name it accordingly for easy identification later. Now that you've named your calendar, the next step is to click Create. This finalizes the initial setup of your calendar within Confluence. But we're not done yet. The calendar is created but not yet displayed on your desired page. The next step takes us back to the Confluence page where you wish to add the calendar. Once there, type in the command or team. This triggers a search for team calendars within the editor, helping us to insert the calendar into the page seamlessly. Once the search brings up options, select Team Calendars. You'll notice a panel where you can further customize how your calendar appears on the page. Click on Team Calendars and you'll have the flexibility to fine-tune various details such as the specific calendar you wish to display, the view type, like a monthly planner, weekly view, etc., and its dimensions. You can adjust the width and height in pixels, choose to display or hide the calendar legend, and decide whether you want weekends to be visible. With these options, you'll have a calendar perfectly suited to your needs directly integrated into your Confluence page. Taking the time to customize these settings ensures your calendar is not only functional, but also visually aligned with your workflow. That's it. Now you have a calendar that will help keep you and your team organized directly within Confluence.